Where to next?
Please introduce yourself.
The name's Theodore Leon. I'm the owner.
And can you tell me who this man...
If I just had something... Oh, come on! Not now, you rotten belt! Can anything here work properly? This belt is as unreliable as the junk it carries.
Dollar bills!
What the? Hey, turn off this damn magnet! Whoever you are, you're going to regret this. Whatever you're up to, you'd better hurry. They'll be back from their lunch break soon. And once I'm let down from here...
Donovan and Gordon had set out to destroy not only Winston, but also his car. And as the good book said about teeth and eyes...
Crap. Jeez.
As CEO of Deliver at All Costs, Donovan had the best parking spot in the company. His car was always parked just outside the lobby doors.
Jeez.
You're next!
That looks awfully similar to Donovan's car. No, it can't be. Can it? Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Oops. Oh, crap. Oops.
I heard you're collecting art now. Got your crown jewel right here. Now you can enjoy the wonders of public transportation just like everyone else.
These events triggered a more personal repercussion, one that Mr. Green would soon confront right at his own doorstep.
It's just a scratch.
Bailey and Associates.
It's Allison. Any news?
Hi, Allie. I'm afraid not.
The crashed car? It must be Winston.
Allie.
I can't reach Donovan. He's become a recluse. Ever since he asked those men to install that weird door to his office, he doesn't attend board meetings anymore. He barely even talks to Gordon.
Allison, we're getting dangerously close to a conflict of interest here. I can't see you anymore.
What? Please, Florian, please, not now.
I could be recused from the case. Please understand.
Florian?